Alright guys, so today I'm playing Hovercraft Takedown. We're doing an advanced card, a rare card pack opening. I have 100,000 coins right now, so I'm just gonna slide over and kill the craft. Alright. As you can see, we have a 100,000. 100,000, I mean, yeah. So, here's the first pack. Okay. I need a weapon. Weapon variant. Another weapon variant. Already have a sniper rifle. Power up. Sniper rifle again. Okay. It's not good. We're not getting any weapons. Alright.
Dylan, if the dogs need to go out, you need to take them.
Alright, sorry about that. Alright. We need new weapons. And not this variant crap. Yellow, tracing. Well, that's it, I guess. Let's see. Did I get anything new? Sure. Wait a minute. I have almost enough coins. Where they are. So I got nothing to do. That sucks. Alright, that's the end of this video. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.